Today we are going to talk about the best vegetable seeds to sow in July. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, July is a great time to get your hands dirty and grow some delicious veggies. So let's get started. July is an excellent month for sowing a variety of vegetables. The monsoon season provides ample moisture and ideal growing conditions for many crops. Here are some of the top vegetable seeds you should consider planting this month. First up, we have spinach. Spinach is a fast growing leafy green that thrive in the cool, moist conditions of monsoon seasons. Sow spinach seeds in well drained soil with plenty of organic matter. They prefer partial shade to full sun. Radishes are another excellent choice for July. These root vegetables grow quickly and are ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Plant radish seeds in loose, well drained soil and make sure they get plenty of sunlight. Carrots are a versatile vegetable that can be planted in July. They prefer sandy, well drained soil and full sun. Make sure to thin the seedlings to give each carrot enough room to grow. Beetroot is another root vegetable that does well in July. It prefers rich, well drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Sow the seeds directly into the ground and keep the soil consistently moist. Brinjal or eggplant is a popular vegetable. It grows well in the warm, wet conditions of July. Plant brinjal seeds in fertile, well drained soil with full sun. Ensure the plants have enough space to spread out. Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is a heat-loving vegetable that thrives in July. Sow okra seeds in well-drained soil and provide them with plenty of sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist for the best results. Cucumbers are refreshing summer vegetables that grow quickly in the monsoon season. Plant cucumber seeds in rich, well-drained soil with full sun. Provide support for the vines to climb and keep the soil consistently moist. Bottle gourd or lauki is a versatile vegetable that thrive in the rainy season. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. The vines need support to grow, so consider using a trellis. Ridge gourd, also known as turai, is perfect for July planting. It grows well in warm, moist conditions. Sow the seeds in well-drained soil and provide support for the vines to climb. Ensure they receive plenty of sunlight. Tomatoes are a staple in every garden. They thrive in the warm, humid conditions of July. Plant tomato seeds in well-drained soil with full sun. Support the plant with stakes or cages as they grow. Indian cucumber, also known as kakdi. Kakdi is another refreshing vegetable perfect for the summer. It grows well in the moist conditions of July. Sow kakdi seeds in well-drained soil with full sun and provide support for the vines to climb. Long beans are a great addition to your July garden. They grow quickly and produce long, tender pods. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil with full sun and provide support for the climbing vines. Hyacinth beans, also known as samphali, is a nutritious vegetable that grow well in monsoon season. Sow these seeds in well-drained soil with full sun and provide support for the vines to climb. Bitter gourd is a popular vegetable in Indian cuisine. It grows well in the warm, humid conditions of July. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil with full sun and provide support for the vines. Pumpkins are a versatile vegetable that can be planted in July. They prefer rich, well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Provide ample space for the vines to spread out. Coriander is a fast-growing herb that can be sown in July. It prefers well-drained soil and partial shade to full sun. Sow the seeds directly into the ground and keep the soil consistently moist. Ginger is a wonderful spice that grows well in the rainy season, though normally it is not grown from seeds. So plant ginger rhizomes in well-drained soil with partial shade to full sun. Keep the soil consistently moist for the best results. And there you have it. These are some of the best vegetable seeds to sow in July. Whether you are growing leafy greens, root vegetables or climbing vines, there's something for every gardener.